Hi, my name is Tom Clark, and this is a lesson or tutorial about Wordtune. So you go to Chrome Store and you apply for it, and then you get it. It's an extension for Chrome Store, and this is what it looks like. First, you paste in your article, and then you have choices. First, you need to highlight. So you need to highlight whatever you want to highlight. So you have a choice of rewriting it. You have a choice whether you want it to sound casual, like you're talking to a friend. Hey, how you doing? Or you want to be formal. It says, how are you? I am fine, thank you. You can shorten the sentence as much as is possible, or you can expand the sentence. I usually just do rewrites. So you'll highlight it, and then you just press whatever you want to choose. Does everything pretty much automatically. Just need to click. I mostly rewrite, so I won't be accused of plagiarism. The fastest way to use this program is to highlight just what you can see on the screen. Don't go down, just highlight the screen and then just press relight and wait. So it's really pretty easy to use. You just let it do what it has to do. And that's it. And you're finished, and you can copy it and put it wherever you want. So that's the program called Wordtune. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for listening, and be safe.